analysis for 10:46 or so. So this is my two trade for today. Remember, I said I'm waiting for the price to come into this place and to sell. So this is my two trade for the day. I want to ride this one all the way, buy from here all the way to here, and then look for a sell all the way here. So this is my first trade for the day, and this is my second trade for the day. So what is my plan for the day? And I'll be done for the day. I plan for this market to come in here, go all the way up here, and continue all the way down here. So I'm going to buy, close here, sell, close here, and I'm done. Now, don't forget, two trade per day. You that have $50, if you lose one, if you raise $7 here, if it takes you out, you are done. Don't do another one. You see, the money that you lose is okay. Don't try to catch up. It means nothing. So this second one, your second trade for the day, if you lose it, you are done for the day. You understand? So that is our plan for the day. So all the best.